How to fix Snapchat memories not loading. So all you have to do is to go here to your Snapchat application and it will lead you to your camera section, right? Now, what the next thing that you want to do is on the left side, you will have to see your memories icon there and it will lead you here. Now, let's say it doesn't work, it's not working, then what, or it's not loading, then what you can do is to, of course, check your Wi-Fi if you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data, and make sure it's a strong Wi-Fi so that it can load the images and the videos there. Now, the next thing that you want to do if it still doesn't work is on the upper left, you will see the Bitmoji there. Tap on that, and then on the upper right, you'll see the gear icon. Tap on that again, and it will lead you here to your settings. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to look for the privacy controls here and tap on clear data here. Now, if you click on clear data here, what you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see clear cache. So tap on clear cache. Basically, you will be, and then when you tap OK, this app will close, and tap on OK, and it will refresh the application. And now you will have, that will fix your Snapchat memories not loading problem. Now, if it still doesn't work, then what you can do is to go here to your settings and to look for, or go to general and go to iPhone storage and look for the Snapchat application. Now, here in Snapchat application, offload the application to refresh the application and then reinstall the application immediately. And basically, that is how you fix Snapchat memories not loading. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.